السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Respected judges, honorable teachers and my beloved audience. Today I am standing before you with the hotly debated and most relevant topic that often goes unnoticed. It is profoundly significant. Can money buy happiness? As we all know, with money we can't buy the happiness, because there are plenty of rich people who are being in trouble and struggle for control their life, to pursue their life and their all the rules, all the nooks and crannies of their life, because they are thinking the all time, always they are thinking about their earning money. But we can find happiness and peace without money. Like our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a poor man. She was a very calm and peaceful person. He managed his life without money, peacefully and happily. And as we know, the world richest man named Elon Musk, he is all the time he is in the trouble of his trouble. He is think out of his companies and his losses and his profit. So we can say in a single word, we can't buy happiness with money. That's all. It's high time to conclude my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.